Regardless of the outcome of this year's English Premier League season, apart from going down as one of the best title races ever, it will also go down as a season when Liverpool FC takes shame out of the eyes of English football. As the only team with the ambition and the balls to repel Pep Guardiola and his money-splashing Man City bosses who came into England and dominated the league last season, amassing 100 points, then come back this season again, 100 points pace again, and looking to decimate the reputation of the EPL as the best and most competitive league in the world. Pep Guardiola and City were looking to make more mockery of the English Premier League. But thank God for Liverpool, the only team with the courage and the conviction to give them a run for their money and keep them honest. All them other pretenders who call themselves contenders at the start of the season, them Chelsea and them Tottenham Hotspurs and Arsenal and that big sweet pepper team, Manchester United, all of them bungle up within 5 points of each other, 20-odd, almost 30 points behind City and Liverpool. A shame and disgrace to the English Premier League. No fans of any of these clubs should talk any football until the start of next season. Who the team them shameless and worthless. Big up to the two champion EPL teams, Liverpool and Manchester City. Yes. Big up Liverpool and Manchester City. The two champion teams. Yes, Liverpool and Manchester City. Liverpool and Manchester City.